about starting your own snow cone business? Well, you're in luck. I have a lot of the knowledge that you need, such as the prices. Anyway, let's dive in. Let's start with these cups over here. They're 50 pieces and they're very colorful, and they come with 50 spoon straws as well. And I got them for $16.95 a piece. And I got 2 of them, just in case. Next, let's bring our attention over to this Instant Pot, which I got to make the Kool-Aid packets, which is $139.99. I think it's going to be a lot quicker to do the Kool-Aid packets. Then, I got these napkins. There's 5, so there's 2 in there, so it's 1,000 in total. And that would be $21.99. Then, I got these Kool-Aid packets featured here. You can't miss them, they're so vibrant. Anyway, there's 22 flavors, and there's 2 of each flavor, so it'd be 44 in total. And I got them for $28.80. This Snowy Shaver featured in the last video, I got in a very good, amazing discount for $176.49. Then, I got 12 of these, and I really, really like them because they have a straw that you can squirt stuff out of, and then they also have a cap lid that you can use to twist on and store it. And there's 12 of those in total, be $39.88. Then, you also will need sugar, and you can just get like a 25 bag of sugar for $20. And in total, it would be around $500. So another thing that you will need is ice. You can either buy it or you can make your own, depending on yourself. And another thing that you need to keep in mind is where you're going to have your shack or whatever you're using. I'm personally going to do it at the Big Rock Canyon Mountain, and I'm going to be paying part of my sales to them for letting me use their space. And another thing you're probably wondering is, how could a 12-year-old do all of this with her own money? Well, the last year I babysat the whole year, and I never spent any of it till this. And that's how I got all this. If you have any other questions about this, just comment down below and make sure to smash that like button super hard till it breaks. And make sure to comment down to your friends and subscribe. Thank you.